Welcome to the Department of Botany, Faculty of Science. The department is one of the oldest departments in MS University, Baroda, having some of the younger staff members associated with the department who have active kind of both teaching as well as research activities. The department offers courses in UG program as BSc and at Master's program in MSc in Botany. The department syllabus is contemporary in nature, having both applied as well as academic aspects, covering all kinds of disciplines related to plant sciences. Alumni of the department are very strong and they are placed across the state, country and across different continents of the world. They are very well placed and knitted together, and they support all kinds of students with various kinds of issues they face about when they are pursuing their career, as well as subsequent to that in their placement and other kinds of activities. After the completion of master's program in the department also offers research program, that is PhD or Doctor in Philosophy. In this particular program, the departmental staff have a large number of research projects funded by Department of Science and Technology, Space Application Center, Botanical Survey of India, CSIR, ICMR and Medicinal Plant Board. All kinds of organizations support, and the funding is very generous in nature. Students across the country do apply for the projects of the department and they get into and they pursue for their PhD. Facilities available are state-of-the-art kind necessary for plant sciences, and the broad thrust areas that are being currently focused in the department are monitoring plants using different kinds of sensors technology, that is ground-based, aerial as well as satellite-based kind of thing. In this particular process, that is sensor monitoring, what is being done about is looking for how the crop pattern is changing and food security, ensuring the food security for the entire population. The forest cover monitoring with reference to climate change and the importance of forests as a carbon sink to address the climate change issues. This is one of the major areas of research the department is pursuing. Other than this, the department also focusing on the plant development and plant improvement programs through tissue culture and biotechnology programs. And they are a group of faculty are also associated with extracting various kinds of natural compounds which are normally or conventionally very difficult to go for synthesizing in a laboratory, and extracting them and subsequently utilizing these particular compounds through I would say about secondary metabolite production for pharmaceutical industry. This is one of the third thrust area I can say about for the department. Students coming out from this particular department are placed across a large number of organizations. Some of them which I can say about are Pfizer, this is one, and Corteva, which goes for improving the crop production. At national level, I would say about Sun Pharmaceuticals, Dabur, these are the kinds of things also go for employment, plus various other kinds of things like Space Application Center, NRSC and ISRO. These groups also do take plant scientists to go for monitoring forest covers remotely. And other kinds of institutes like I would say Botanical Survey of India also take up students coming from this particular department. Students by themselves also prepare for competitive examinations that happen at national level like Civil Services, Indian Forest Service, etc. The department consistently and very thoroughly supports the students entering into the department with various kinds of cultural, co-curricular, extracurricular activities. The department ensures the students shaping up their career in the best possible manner and producing them as the mature botanists, from budding botanists to mature botanists kind. Thank you.